Figs contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in relieving constipation. Insoluble fiber increases stool bulk, facilitating easier passage through the digestive tract. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that helps move stools smoothly through the intestines. Figs contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that functions as a mild osmotic laxative. Sorbitol draws water into the intestines, softening the stool and promoting easier bowel movements. The prebiotic properties of fig fiber feed beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestive health. Figs contain the enzyme phycin, which aids in breaking down food particles and improving nutrient absorption. This enzymatic action supports smoother digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fresh figs, with their high water content, approximately 80%, contribute to overall hydration, preventing dehydration-related constipation.